Where's am I? At least my X-ray peg is working.
Bruce.
A hacksaw.
Yes. Bro.
That was so out of it. You go. Faster. Oh, it tastes like puke. Ew.
That's good, man.
Oh no, seriously, it tastes like puke. Ugh.
Mine tastes like nachos.
I had curry for dinner, so
Oh, you had curry.
green
Suppose it's not coming out
explosion.
the other end.
I mean, the first
Yes.
few burps tasted nice, but then yeah. Oh, what are the other
Like-
calls? I'm gonna go on the wiki.
Dover. Ah, yeah. It's like. My burps are sitting in my stomach.
I hate it because it like cuts off from your mouth, eh?
Oh, here it comes. Dover. Had to push that one out.
Careful.
Okay, wait, let me have a look at the dragon shells.
Fuck, I'm gonna burst lungs soon.
Let's see.
Never mind. There goes the excess gas. Oh, wow.
I'm looking at them, but I can't. Yoltor Shul. Tidklo Ul.
You know how to make a huge air pocket in your stomach?
You breathe in air, or you swallow oxygen. You sound like a retarded team speaking.
That's what you sounded like when you were doing it, Duck.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
You sound like magnetic duck. Oh my god, now he's got me calling myself that. God, it's so annoying.
Change your name to Magic Duck.
No, because if I hate the name. It's just freaking annoying.
Yeah. If I had my rank, I would change the description to Magic Duck.
Yeah, well, you can change my description. Stinkily so. It's possible you've got powers enough. Everyone does. I can change your description right now to like Delirious's poo poo.
No, you can't.
Yes, I can. I'll do it right now.
Been changed.
Oh, yep, my bad.
Sec.
Good bitch.
Shut the scuck up.
It's like. It's like.
I'm afraid of you puking.
Oh, now you got me thinking of puking, you prick.
Oh, that was such a relief. It
I
still
know.
hurts.
I've had that burp happen so many times after drinking lots.
That sounded a bit wrong, but.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, fuck, I've still got this, like, gap in my stomach. I can feel where the fucking air is.
Lie down.
I'm gonna try
Lie down
pushing it out.
flat. Or you lie down flat.
What does lying down flat? Oh!
Lying down flat next to the air bubble tries to go to the nearest outward source.
Awesome farts. I'm recording, yes.
Inhale a lot of air and do a handstand.
You'd spew on yourself.
You'd be like. Oh, that would be so comical. Punch yourself in the orifice. I don't even know what that means. Oh, I do, but that makes no sense.
That's you in the orifice.
Holy shit, I just engaged a whole lot of...
I bet you did.
Oh wow.
And
Oh, now I got a fart. I seriously think Bubble went down there.
I have to burp, but it's just not coming out.
Oh,
I've
one
got
sec.
that right now.
It's like constipation.
Uh,
Did you hear that, Delirious?
yes.
Now it stinks like air. It just smells like air. It doesn't smell like shit
Smells
or
it?
anything.
Whoever
No
smells
shit,
it
I'm
tells us.
yeah,
Do you know what
duh.
annoys me? I can actually identify my family by the smells of their farts. I'm not lying. It's really annoying.
You would make a good bloodhound.
No, it's annoying though, because we fart so much that we can identify each other by the smell.
How you going, Mum?
You're around now, she's in like the kitchen.
Tell your mum to fart, I mean I can identify her.
If they put them in a jar and you
Oh no, that changes the smell. No, I'm joking. I've never tried it. My cousin
No,
farted into a bottle and gave it to my brother.
Alright, I'm gonna go now, have fun. So yeah,
Good
don't
luck.
shoot yourself, puppy.
before you go. There you go.
Wait, no, let me. It's coming. Oh, such relief.
See ya.
See ya, Nick.
User disconnected from your
All you hear
channel.
is a
Well, oh no, there we go.
just put it on YouTube as just funny TeamSpeak. And then just don't tell any of the admins because they'll just go, oh, this isn't funny. That is so, like, rude. Be like, oh, eat a dick.
Oh man, I'm tired. Yeah, I'm gonna go do it. I'm gonna have a look at the video now.